Are you located in Nigeria and you are looking for a way to get a virtual dollar card at the cheapest rates? Virtual dollar cards act as debit cards with principal currency as USD and can be used for purchasing stuffs online without stress. If you were riding the web in search for the best cheap virtual dollar card providers, then you are at your bus stop as we count on the best virtual dollar card providers in Nigeria. Number 1. Allet Virtual Dollar Card. The Allet Virtual Dollar Card is one of the very few virtual dollar card services in Nigeria that allows you to make seamless payments online without being affected by ever-fluctuating exchange rates which can affect how you make payments. This specific point is one of the major reasons why you definitely need an Allet Virtual Dollar Card. Allet makes it easy for you to get a virtual dollar card and pay online in dollars. This card will be freely delivered to you in 2 business days. However, to get started, you will need to download their mobile app and complete your sign-up before your card will be issued. Some benefits of using Allet are: it allows for seamless payments, multi-platform functionality, easy to use, no outrageous fees, will be delivered to you in 72 hours. What you waiting for to give Allet a try? Number 2. Barter Virtual Dollar Card. Designed by Flutterwave, this Barter Virtual Dollar Card allows you to send and receive money worldwide. The card can also be used to pay bills for any services and purchase stuffs from any online platform. You can get unlimited virtual dollar cards from Barter and create custom cards for specific purposes. The limit on your dollar virtual card is $20,000 daily and the current limit per transaction is $20,000. Number 3. IAWA Virtual Dollar Card. IAWA is another online platform that you can use to create a virtual dollar card in Nigeria. You can fund your IAWA dollar card with a minimum of $1. It is convenient for individual, small, and medium businesses. One great thing about IAWA Virtual Card Provider is, they provide the virtual dollar card for free. If you need another virtual card, you will have to pay for it. However, to get this free virtual card, you will need to sign up for an account by starting with a Nigerian phone number, then enter your personal details including your BVN. Once all of the verification done, you will get a free virtual dollar card. Check out the description for more details on IAWA Virtual Card and how to get it. Number 4. Wallet Africa Virtual Dollar Card. Wallet Africa is a virtual dollar card and current account provider for small and medium enterprises. Wallet Africa app has several features like virtual and credit cards. You are allowed to fund any of your cards with up to $10,000 and $1 minimum balance. You can create up to $5 virtual card for free. Wallet Africa is one of the cheapest virtual dollar card in Nigeria. Their virtual dollar cards are available in Nigeria, United States, Canada, Côte d'Ivoire, Kenya, and Ghana. However, upon creation of your account, you will be prompted if you will like to create a wallet for personal use or for your business. Just select the wallet type that corresponds to your needs and proceed with the wallet creation. Number 5. Eversend Virtual Dollar Card. Eversend is a well-known mobile bank that provides currency exchange, saving accounts, and money transfer services across the world. However, its services are available for most African countries. Eversend Virtual Card enables users to make payments in US dollar as its debit card's currency is in US dollars. It is very easy to sign up with no overlag steps. Eversend supports multi-currency wallets and has an effective customer service support. They charge little fees per transaction made. They operate with a mobile application which you can download from the app market for Android and iOS, then sign up for an account and get your virtual dollar card. If you want a completely free virtual dollar card, then IAWA should be your best pick since they offer a completely free virtual dollar card. Alright folks, those were our best pick for the best virtual dollar card providers in Nigeria and some other African countries. For all these providers, you can get their links from the video description. Also, check out our full written guide for more virtual dollar card providers and how to apply for a free virtual dollar card. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and enable the notification bell icon to be notified whenever we release a new video.